lastly, Mr. Chairman, with regards to the admin matters, just to balikan lang po natin yung issuance of contempt order to the fore, no?
We
To
have
Mr.
we have an outstanding contempt and
Yeah.
arrest order with respect to Ortonio.
Yes, Chairman, can I proceed?
But insofar as Ortonio is concerned, I think the committee issued two contempt and arrest order. So what is the pleasure of the
Yes, Mr. Chairman,
members?
yung kay Ortonio kasi, ito, you violated Section 11, Paragraph A, yung first contempt, no, sa apat. It's a question, it's Paragraph A, refusal to obey summons without legal excuse. So you're not present for the previous hearing, so you were cited in contempt in violation of Section 11, Paragraph A. Now, with regards to Sir Ortonio, he was cited again in contempt through the motion of Congressman Hill Bongalon in violation of Section 11 once again, but Paragraph F, the same as in the violation of Attorney Lopez. Now, Mr. Chairman, since the four, now including Ms. Gina Acosta, voluntarily appear into this hearing, but still the violation has been committed, no? And when in fact they have not yet served such contempt orders from this committee because they were not in possession of the SAA. But Mr. Chairman, because they voluntarily appear into the hearing, may I move, Mr. Chairman, to grant Mr. Limel Ortonio, Ms. Sansen Farda, Ms. Gina F. Acosta, and Mr. Edward Farda to be granted the furlough, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
There's a motion to grant.
Second.
Duly seconded.
And Mr. Chairman, may I ask the COMSEC if we have established a quorum because the motion to contempt, the four resource persons were issued the contempt by the members of the committee present during the previous hearing, unanimously approved, and we'll just like to establish if there's still a quorum because we cannot lift or grant a furlough without the
Quorum.
a quorum.
COMSEC.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Your Honor, there were registration of votes and there was a quorum registered at 11:33 p.m. with the Secretariat, Your Honor. The following members voted for the furlough of the four OVP employees. Chairperson Joel Chua, SDS Dong Gonzales, Vice Chairperson Acop, Deputy Minority Leader Castro, Kong Ortega V, Representative Zia Alonto Adyong, Kong Paduano, Vice Chairperson Janet Garin, Congressman Rog Gutierrez, and Congressman Barbers, Your Honor. So we have 10 members voting unanimously for the furlough, Your Honor.
Chairman,
Yes,
and lastly,
yes.
Mr. Chairman, just to remind the resource person that was granted furlough to this hearing.
That this is
with-
conditional.
Yeah, with the commitment that you should be present in the next hearing, no? And tentatively, that will be Friday, this week. No? So, I hope you have that commitment.
Your Honor, maybe, Mr. Chair, may I be recognized?
Yes, please, Mr. Ortonio.
First of all, maybe on behalf of my colleagues, we'd like to extend our gratitude for extending furlough, in terms of the orders that were issued to us. So we'd like to extend our appreciation, our gratitude to this one. And part of this would be the commitment to be attending the succeeding hearings po. Thank you very much.